Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video we will be talking about everything that I sewn for the month of March 2021. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the new video. So the first thing that I sewn in the month of March was part of the pre-spring top series. It is Simplicity 8550 view C, but I used the length of view A. So what I call the Princess Peach dress. So it was supposed to be originally a top, but I went ahead and made this into a dress. This is Simplicity 8550 view C with the length of view A. So I loved it. I used a, I think it's called Peach Skin. It's from Joann's. The fabric is from Joann's, and it is a linen fabric. The next thing that I sewn in the month of March 2021 is this black ivory set that I did. I did a matching mask for it. This is McCalls 7757 on the pattern. I used view B for the off the shoulder top, and then view E for the pants. The elastic pants is amazing. I love them. So I'm going to do this again because this is part of my Make 9 that I plan on making for 2021. So this is one that I did do for the Make 9. And you can see that video right here. All right, so the next thing that I sewn was part of Mommy and Me for this month. I've been doing a lot of Mommy and Me's each month. So for this month, I did Simplicity 8707 view C on the pattern. So this one I created for my daughter, and she loves it. And then I also created one for myself, of course. And I used a white and black bullseye fabric, the same one I have on. I'll tell you about this one in just a moment. But I picked this up from House of Mama Wata. I picked up a total of 18 yards. Wasn't planning on doing it in 18 yards, but I have more garments that I will be sewing this year with this fabric, so you'll see it again later on in the year. And that's Simplicity 8707. So the next thing that I sewn this month, I love it. This is Simplicity 1366. So the top is view B on the pattern. And then the skirt, which I'm going to show you because I love this skirt. So the skirt looks like it's pockets in the front, but it's not. It's just a nice, lovely drape. And this is view B. And let me tell you a little bit about this skirt. So, I did not have enough fabric in the direction that I wanted the skirt. So because I did not have enough fabric in order to completely do the drape in the same color fabric, the Ankara print fabric, what I did was I looked at my stash, because you guys know that I pick up fabric from my stash from things that I have purchased in 2018, 2019, 2020. And I went to my stash quickly to figure out what I'm going to do, because I wanted to do the skirt and the drape was amazing to not to have it on the skirt. It needed to be in the skirt. So what I did was I went to my stash, found this nice, lovely green. It's like an olive green that I picked up from Joann's. It is a broadcloth fabric. I picked it up. I picked it out of my stash and was like, okay, well, these pair very good together. So I said, well, let me do that for the drape. And that's what I did for the drape. So I went ahead, and this became kind of like my facing / lining for the drape. If you have this pattern, pull it out. And this became my drape. So on the inside, you will see that it gives a nice contrast to the drape. And then I just went ahead and did the top, which I wasn't planning on doing the top, but it made the entire outfit blend very well. I love it. I will be doing this top again pretty soon. I'll probably need one by the end of the year. It's just 3 pieces. So this came out amazing. it's basically what I'm gonna call save the fabric. This entire outfit was a save the fabric. So yeah, this is Simplicity 1366. The next thing that I sewn was also part of the top series. So this was the boxy top. This is boxy top number 1. So I sewn this using also Simplicity 1366. So basically, let me tell you a little bit about this. So this I cut out first before I cut out the draped skirt that I just shown you. So that's why I did not have enough left. However, I wanted the direction of the fabric with the leaves going up the correct direction. So they wanted you to kind of cut this way. I wasn't feeling it. So I needed it to face the correct direction. So that's why I did not have enough fabric. Even though I picked up 6 yards, it took me more than 6 yards to do the drape of the skirt as well as the top. So this is the boxy top, and you can see the video right here for the boxy top. And this is Simplicity 1366 View D. The next thing that I sewn for the month of March was the peasant top. Okay, so this is McCalls 8092. I love it. This is view, I think it's view C. It may be view B. I can't tell you. I'll put it up here with the photos and everything. But this is the peasant top, also part of the top series. You could watch Brittany J Jones video. I'm just going to go ahead and link Brittany J Jones video where she walked you through how to do this peasant tops. And this is McCalls 8092. I did not do a sew along for it because Brittany J Jones has an amazing one, which I already linked it above for you guys to go ahead and check out Brittany J Jones video with the peasant top right here. And this is McCalls 8092. So the last thing that I sewn this last week, and this is my second version of the boxy top. I'm going to put photos up, of course. This is what I have on is the second version of the boxy top. This is Simplicity 8602 View C. So I did do a couple of modifications for this top. And I'm going to go ahead and link the video up here so you can see what I did. But I love the sleeves. This is just the ruffles on the sleeves. I also put tie-ins, straps on the back. So it ties in the back in order to create that nice, lovely bow. But you can watch the video and see exactly what I did to create this top. But that's all I sewn in the month of March. I will be curious to see which one was your favorite. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And turn on the notification bell every time I upload a new video. So go ahead and turn on that notification bell. But until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep sewing.